welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, in today's video I'm gonna talk about reading. Yes, my dear friend, you heard it right. I'm gonna talk about reading, how you can develop reading habit. As we know that for spoken English, reading, listening, speaking, these all are important. So if you don't read book, so how you can develop reading habit, and how you can make you feel comfortable and interested in reading, everything I will tell you in this video. So let's begin this video. Friend, as I told that for spoken English, you know speaking, reading, listening, writing, these all are important. So you know I'm gonna talk about reading. So my dear friend, if you are a if you are learner of English, so you must read book. Yeah, you must read book, each and every day. It help us to become fluent in English, to grab the knowledge, to accumulate the knowledge. And when we accumulate the knowledge, we get ideas how to talk. We get ideas. Otherwise our mind goes blank and we think that what should I speak. So if you face such problems, you should read book. Then there you will get good ideas, good knowledge, good lines, quotation, vocab, sentences. And these things will decorate your English. And when you will speak, your English your English will sound effective and impressive, and you can become fluent in English. So for that you need to read each and every day. So and that is why I'm saying that everybody must read book. But some learner, they will say that I am not interested in reading. So my dear friend, tell me, we do we do that thing in which we are interested? क्या हम वही चीज़ें करते हैं जिसमें हमें हमारा इंटरेस्ट है? No, something we do in which we are not interested, but that thing is good for our good for us. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जिसमें हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, फिर भी हम उसे लर्न करते हैं, उसे करते हैं, क्योंकि वो हमारे लिए अच्छा है. So similarly you need to understand here, you are not interested in reading, but reading is essential for you and for your communication, for your knowledge. So my dear friend, just think that this is the good for me, for my communication, for my English, for my knowledge. So I have to read. Okay. So how you can build reading habit. This is the main issue for every, not every, but some of learner, because they are not interested. So in what way they should read, so they can build their habit, as well as they they will feel interest, they will be interested. So let's see. Friend, you know you are not bound, you are not bound to read book. you know Read what you like. आप जो आपको पसंद है वही पढ़ें. यू आर नॉट बाउंड. आप बाध्य नहीं हैं कि यू हैव टू रीड बुक या एनी स्पेसिफिक बुक्स यू हैव टू रीड. नो, वट एवर यू लाइक, जस्ट रीड. It could be anything, a story book, novels, self-help book, yeah, read magazine, yeah, newspaper. In newspaper you will get a various section like Bollywood section, sports section, politics, social, spiritual, all kinds of section you will get. Beauty tips and food related. So what you like, just read. Okay, no matter how many hour, how many minutes, hour and pages, but read every day. Read each and every day. You have to read. So आपको जो भी अच्छा लगता है, कुकिंग अच्छा लगता है, बॉलीवुड न्यूज़ अच्छा लगता है, कुछ भी आप रीड करो. So what will happen if you read? the thing you like, you won't feel bored. You will feel interest, and your interest will expand to read more and more. And in this way you can expand your interest in reading. And the second thing what you have to do, uh, read a little, not a much. Why? Because you are going to develop reading habit. So decide your task tiny so that you can read each and every day with curiosity. If you can read only one pages, if you can read only one paragraph, read that, that much. No need to read two 3 pages, 5 pages. If you can read one pages, read one page. Yeah, if you cannot read one pages, read one paragraph, but read each and every day. So when your task will be tiny, you will be you will have curiosity to read. And you will, when you will read each and every day, so in this way you will be able to maintain your consistency. जब आप जो है आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि मुझे इतना ही पढ़ना है, और वो टास्क आपके लिए जो है बड़ी बात नहीं है, एक छोटी सी बात है, आप कर लेंगे। और तो वो आप खुशी से करेंगे और रोज़ करेंगे। तो इस तरह से जो है आपका रोज़ रीडिंग होगा, और साथ ही साथ आप जो है कंसिस्टेंस रहेंगे। और जो आप क्वांटिटी डिसाइड करेंगे, वो आपके ऊपर जो है प्रेशर जो है डोमिनेट नहीं करेगा। सो focus on two things: decide your task as little you can do happily, and maintain your consistency. Okay. And when you are reading, that time, don't try to understand. If you are not able to understand, it's okay. It's okay. Initially you don't need to try to understand and delve into what is it. Just read. Just read. Okay. And don't try to search vocab, sentences, and understand initially. Because what will happen if you try to go in deep, and search the vocabulary, sentences, and try to understand. So in this way you will feel frustrated, because it takes time, and you will lose your interest. You will lose your interest, because you are going to develop your interest, your reading habit. So you have to make you feel comfortable, not frustrated, and any kind of stress you don't have to create. Just you have to make you feel comfortable. So that is why I'm saying that don't try to understand and search meaning and vocab, sentences. Just read. Yeah, if you are getting the same vocab again and again repeatedly, so you can search and try to know what is the meaning of that vocabulary. Otherwise, don't focus on uh, to understanding and go in deeper, because you are going to develop, you are going to develop your interest and reading habit. So you have to make you feel comfortable and interestful. So in this way you have to read. Okay. So when when you will read something you like, so you will feel interested. And second thing, you don't have to read too much, that so that it will create pressure on your mind. No, you have to read tiny and little, and you will read happily. And third thing, you don't need to search and try to understand, just you have to read. So in this way, and you will feel happy, and you will have curiosity to read. बिकॉज़ आप अपने चॉइस के पढ़ेंगे, आप जो है आपका टास्क भी टाइनी रहेगा, जो आपको पढ़ने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा, आप कभी भी पढ़ सकते हैं। थर्ड, आपको समझना नहीं है, बस आपको रीड करना है। तो इस तरह से जो है खुद को कंफर्टेबल बनाना है आपको, और तब जो है जाके आप अपना इंटरेस्ट and your then you will develop your interest and reading habit in this way. And when you will keep doing the same way, so yeah, later on you will start thinking the you will your understanding will start developing. You will you will you will have interest, you will have knowledge, so many things you will get. But to be, to develop your reading habit, you have to use this technique, okay, and read whatever you like. You are not bound to read any specific things. And yeah, when you are reading, you know just read, without keeping any kind of pressure in your mind, okay. So in this way, if you read, you can develop your interest as well as a reading habit. And later on it is going to beneficial for you. So my dear friend, now you should start reading book. This is essential part, and everybody should read book if you want to speak fluently, if you want to grab the knowledge, if you want to expand your vocabulary, sentences, and your knowledge. So in this way you can develop your reading habit. So for today, let's call it a day, and we will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.